Hey everybody, it's Jennifer, and today I want to show you my super fast get it done out the door makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So we're going to start off by using the Milani Prime Correct facial primer. I really like this. It has the green tint to combat all the redness on my face. And throughout the video, just so you know, I keep pulling random hairs off of my face and putting them back in my bun. Next, I'm going to apply some of the Blistex Lip Serum so that my lips can soak that in while I'm doing the rest of my makeup. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover in the lightest shade, which I believe is Porcelain. I'm using my Sigma F80 to blend all that in. I will have all the products I use down below listed, and my Instagram will also be linked down there with a few videos from my channel that I think you guys might like to see. I do one base coat and then I add a little dollop wherever I need more coverage, which today was my entire face because your girl's skin sucks ass. Once your foundation is completely buffed in, I'm going to take a combo of e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Rose and the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00. I add in the ColourPop White Concealer just to brighten a lot more, and we're going to blend all that out really quickly. Next, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Color Icon Setting Powder in Translucent. I really liked how this powder set on my skin, but I don't know if it has flashback or not just yet. I have to test it a few more days, but I like it so far, if that counts for anything. But look at how messy the packaging is, just everywhere. So now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in Sunset Striptease and a Wet n Wild Fluffy brush, and I'm going ham with my bronzer today. I just want it to look super fresh and put together, so I bronzed to high heaven. To highlight, I'm going to use the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. This is a little too gold for my liking, but on days like today where I just want my skin to look super healthy, I really like using this highlighter. I've also been doing my brows a little different here lately. This is the Rimmel Brow This Way kit in the shade Medium. And I'm going in using the brow gel, which I normally never use, and my little Morphe eyebrow brush. And I really like how my brows came out. So I'm just going to fill them in and fix my shape with the gel really quickly. And then I'm going to go in with the powder that comes in the kit with it, just to kind of add a little more color and fluffiness to my brows. And also, I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Brow Tint in the shade Auburn. This is a fiber gel mascara. Gel eyebrow gel something. It makes my eyebrows look like I have actual hairs. I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia and Alyssa Edwards palette. I don't have the palette with me, so I can't tell you the shades, but I'm pointing at them. I just start with this peachy shade and apply this over my entire lid and buff it into my crease. Don't forget I'm doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers, and whoa, we're halfway there. That was terrible. Who lets me do this? Oh, God help me. Okay, well, I definitely just got done doing a Halloween video, and I have cream paints on my hand, and I smeared it all over my under eye, but I just wiped it off and pounced back through it. Now I'm going to take the next shade, which is like this more cool tone tanny shade, and I'm going to apply this to the outer edges of my eyes and slightly into my crease just to darken and give more dimension to my eye. And the spotlight in this palette is this super pretty shimmery gold shade. Look how pretty it is. I love it, and I normally don't like golds ever, but that shade is just gorgeous. And lastly, nope, I lied to you. Excuse me, I'm just buffing my edges out a little bit so they're blended. Okay, and now, lastly, I'm going to take the white in the palette just to put a slight highlight under my eye and in my inner corners. I am so sorry, I don't know what I'm doing. For mascara today, I'm going to go with my usuals and layer up the Essence The False Lashes Mascara and Maybelline Lash Sensational. I love this combo. It is so pretty. It makes my lashes look thick and long and separated and juicy and just perfect. Everything you could want. Freaking love it. I'm also only applying this to my top lashes. I'm not going to put anything on my bottom lashes because I am sweaty and gross and it smears. No matter what, my bottom mascara smears. So we're skipping it. For my lips today, I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie Push-Up Lipstick in the shade Embellishment. I freaking love it. I need to get more shades in this lipstick. I was not a fan of the matte, like liquid lips, but this is amazing. It just glides beautifully. I love it. I want more shades. And just so I look a little more glossy and juicy, I'm going to take the Buxom Full On Lip Cream in White Russian. Like always, this is like a cult favorite. It's super minty and tingly, so just beware of that, I guess. I don't know. And I'm going to set everything with the Morphe and Jeffree Star Set and Refresh setting spray, and that is it. Quick out the door. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.